Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech and Go. In this video we are going to see how to create RDP and make multiple users using Azure. First we have to create a virtual machine. So just follow my steps. Write the name of machine. Now select operating system. Here I'm using 2019 Data Center Gen 2. Select size for your RDP. Type your username and password for RDP. Now create a disk for storage. Click on Create and attach a new disk. Follow my steps to create one. Change size. Select any size here. I'm using 128 gigabytes. Wait until it checks if resources are available or not. Okay, now click Create. Wait until deployment is done. Okay, so our deployment is successful. Now click on Go to Resources. Here you can see all the details of the RDP. The name is Tech and Go. Operating system is 2019 Data Center General 2nd. That's our private IP. It's public IP. This one is showing the size. We have 2 CPUs and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Now click on Connect and download the RDP file. Now let connect to the RDP we have just created. Yeah! Now type in username and password of your RDP. We are successfully connected to our RDP. Now follow my steps and turn off all the security. After turning off all the securities, restart your RDP. After restarting, connect RDP again. Here you can see all the securities are turned off. Now let's move towards our second part of the video. How to create multiple users on one RDP. Right-click on Start menu and select Computer Management. Click on Local Users and Groups. In User folder, create a user. Now follow my steps to allow RDP connection on second user we have created. After creating a user and setting up, restart your RDP. After restarting is completed, let's just check if our second user is connecting or not. Open the RDP file. I'm connecting the first RDP and will connect second. Let's create a folder first. OK. Now connecting the second user. Open RDP file. Here you have to click on more options. Use a different account. Type the name of account and password. The low-end RDP, so it's gonna take some time. Wait. Any changes make on one's user will not be visible to other and will not change anything. Now let's check the IP address of both RDPs. You can see both RDPs have same IP addresses, which means it's same machine with two different user accounts. That's all for today's video. If you like it, please do subscribe and share video with you friends. Do support it. Have a safe day and keep smiling.